Hello everyone. Hello and welcome everyone. This is my Linux tutorial video one for our biweekly lab assignment or PLA2. This topic is Linux navigation and output basics, and it's based on module 3 and 4 from the Linux survival website. My name is Akash Patel and I created this to help beginners like me understand Linux step by step. A big thank you to Dr. Govindaswamy for guiding us in this journey. Let's get started. Let's see. So, welcome. That will you learn today? Hi. In this video, I will show you some important Linux basics. We will learn how to move between folders called directories, how to check who is logged in, and how to get help for any Linux command, how to find lost files, and how to read what's inside a file, and how to save command outputs into new or existing files. So don't worry. If you are beginner, I will explain each part slowly and clearly. So stay with me and let's begin. So let's see the first moving between folders with CD. So in this command, cd means change directory. That's just a fancy way of saying go into a folder. Let me show you with the example. Let's see. Uh, Now you can do this and let's try. Cd and till and you can see like I packed in my main folder. So this command take me to my home folder where all my personal files are saved. So let's see the second one. Let's see the second like CD document. So now, okay. So using CD command like change directory, I can go to any folder. Let's see. Uh, I can show you by doing the uh, practical. Let's see, like cd. Let's see first. There is my old files and directories. So let's take like cd, and I want to go in the cpp files. So cd cpp files and enter. So you can see like I am going in the cpp files. So how it's used, use this command like whenever you want to go any files you use this command cd file. So now let's see the third example. So this takes you inside the document folders, right? And cd dot dot, this takes you one level back, like going to the previous folder. So if we have a multiple folder, like there is, I have to see like there is, yeah, there is a one more folder in this like calculator, cd calculator and enter. So I'm going in one folder, in another folder. So now I want to go back in the cpp files folder, right? So I have to like cd type cd test dot dot and enter. And you can see I am going back to my main cpp file. And if I type one more time, so I can go back to my main folder. So this is the cd file. So, and one quick tip, like the Tilt symbol is a shortcut that always points to your home folders no matter what your username is handy, right? So this is the cd command. Now seeing the files in a folder with the ls command. So let's see what we can do with this command. So if I type the like ls command, you can see the list of all the my files and folders. So okay, so use ls to list all the files and folder inside the current directory. I already showed you like shows all files in the current folder. You can also use like ls.l. It's like long ls longs. So more details like file size, date, and permissions. And also you can uh, use this ls.a shows all files and including hidden ones. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I will show you. So like ls.l, you can see my all the files, date, time, and there is a subsecurity and all the stuff. And if you type like ls dash a, you can see all the like folders and hidden folders, all these things. Okay, so how you use these commands. So depending on what you need, you can choose the simple or detailed version. Okay, let's see the next command. Okay, so who am I? Use whoami and ID. If you want to check who is logged in, so you have to type like who am I, and ID, it shows your username. So this use whoami shows your username, and ID shows your user ID and group ID and other info. These commands help you understand your access level on the system. Let's see. I will show you from by doing the practical. So let's type the whoami command. Yeah. So you can see my name, like my main uh, username, right? So this is my username, and you can see if you want to see my ID. So this is my user ID, this is my group ID, this is group, all these groups. So using this command, you can see user ID and group ID, all this stuff. This command helps you to understand your access level on the system. Okay, let's see the next command. Okay, so now here how to get her directly from Linux. Use the main command, which means manual. So use the main to open the manual help guide for any command. If you want to know about any command, you can use the main. So basically main is for manual for all the commands. Let's see. ls. So I want to see the ls commands manual. So you can see the ls means list directory content. So this is the description about the files, sort entries alphabetically if known of, sort is specified mandatory, and if uh, so this is the manuals of ls command. You can learn from this command about the command. So you can learn about the ls, what ls is, what's the means of l, r, recursive, r, reverse, q quote, then time. So you can see all the like l list one files, this version. So this is the manual. So if you want to quit, press Q and you can quit. So inside the manuals, use the arrow key to scroll. Okay, you want to scroll, use the arrow key and press Q to quit. You can learn about any command with man, try man, cd, man, find, etc. It's like having a built-in Linux textbook. Okay, so let's see the next. Okay, finding the something we forgot, where we saved something. No worries. Use the find command to search for it. Let's see. I will show you. So I want to. So let's find something. Find name and okay. So eating. So you can see the greeting.txt file, right? And using the find. Okay. So you can see all the like text and all the stuffs that greeting.txt file. So if you find like something, find hello. Okay. So if I give in the cpp file, if I go in this file and I want to find hello.cpp file, you can see, right? Uh, find dot. Okay, you can see all the cpp files from this folder. So how you can see that? So using these asterisks or wildcard, you can find all the files ending with like .txt or like .cpp file. You can use these when you forgot where you saved a file. Okay, so this is the use of the find command. Okay, so like cd yeah, you can see the one file cpp file in from this folder. And if I go with the and same thing, you can see all the cpp files from this. So how you use this command? Let's see the next command. Next is like cat, reading files with cat command. So cat means contact concatenate, but we mostly use it to read files. For example, like let's see et cat. I will show you like cat hello.cpp. So you can see all the stuff from this folder. So what I like type in this folder, what I code in this file, you can see using this cat command. So show everything inside this, and you can also combine two files. Let's see how you can do it. Like cat hello.cpp, and if you want to make a new folder. So like you can like hello world cpp and just enter. So you can see both these folders are concatenate in one folder. So there is a two folder, hello world and hello. So I just do it, do these all or these two files in one file. So you can see the result output. So there is from this hello.cpp and this is like hello world.cpp. So this how you create new files called this with concat content to, of both the files. So how you can create these both .txt file. So let's try this concat and and both .cpp. Okay, and ls. You can see both .cpp file this and just see both .cpp. You can see both the content of this hello and hello world.cpp file. So how you use this command? Okay, this is a very helpful command for everything and it's easy and powerful. Okay, let's see the saving outputs with this and this. So use greater than symbol to save output to a new file. This replaces old content. So you can see like uh, I will show you get cd then get a greeting my greeting.txt folder. You can see there is one good morning only. So now I want to change this good morning to hello. So how I can do like echo hello using greater than and greeting dot txt. So and now I will show you greeting dot txt. Yeah, you can see this is changed from good morning to hello. So how you can use these greater than symbols? You can use for the change the outputs of the files. Okay, so let's see the another one. Uh, Double greater than use for the add. So if you want to add the how are you? Okay, so just type echo how are you and double greater than txt file. Okay, and you can see it will add it added already in text. Yeah, you can see the how are you. So using this command you can check like you can add and replace of the output. Okay, so this is the code and very helpful command for all of the. Okay, and that's it. So let's see, great job, you have completed video one of Linux survival Linux series. Let's quickly review that what we learned: moving between folders with the cd, listing files with the ls command, checking who are you with the whoami and id, using man to get help, finding files with the find command, reading files with the cat command, saving output with greater and double greater than symbols. So these we already learned in this video. So what in the next video? So in the next video we will talk about like printing files, how to copy and delete folders, checking disk space, and two bonus Linux commands. Don't forget to watch it. Thank you for learning with me. And if you like this video, please press the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Linux videos. Leave the comment if you have any questions. I will give you in the next video. Thank you.